Let me introduce you to a new tool called the Accuangle. The Accuangle is basically a beveling cutting tool that allows you to cut specific angles on the edges of your clay slabs. So the Accuangle is fit with a 90-degree hole for doing cutoffs, and it's a perfect position for people who are making tiles and need to cut a square edge. We also have, starting at our lowest angle here, is a 30-degree angle, 45, 54, 60, all the way up to a 75-degree angle, which is the bisected angle for a dodecagon, which is a 12-sided object. If I choose a 45-degree angle and I get ready to cut that 45-degree angle, you place your fingers, your thumb and index finger on either side of the slider and pull the slider toward you without any pressure downward. The needle tool will hold itself in place once it's touched the canvas or the surface that you're cutting on, and you'll be able to glide this piece all the way down the length of your clay and have a really perfect angled cut. So one of the nice things about the Accuangle is you can cut your angles from the front side of the piece of clay or the back side of the piece of clay, depending on whatever is advantageous to the project that you're working on. Right now I'm cutting from the back side of the piece of clay, and both your angles are beveled out from the inside surface. Setting the needle tool up so that you can cut from the front side of the piece of clay is just as easy as cutting from the back side. Again, hold your needle tool in place. And you can see we have a bevel underneath. I've just cut 4 equal pieces here with a 45-degree angle on to show you how well these pieces fit up and join together now. Putting a box together is really simple with the Accuangle, and if you cut your pieces equally, your joints are going to fit together really nicely. So another nice little thing about the Accuangle is that you can cut some reinforcing strips for boxes when you're they're going to fit a lot better than rolling out a coil and pressing it into place. What I've done here is I've taken this little scrap from this box, and I have one angle that's cut from the back side, and right along that edge I'm going to cut the reverse angle, 45 angle. And that reverse 45 makes a perfect little piece for reinforcing inside your box. Smooth it down, pinch it off, you've got a really strong reinforcing piece.